And as the debris cleanup continues in Hopkins County, people will finally start seeing a noticeable difference. You may be wondering just where will all of that debris go? Officials say the debris is sorted into piles of building materials, vegetation, appliances, hazardous waste, and electronics, and taken to a landfill.
But we do have at least 3 sites in the county where we're taking vegetative debris to be burned. We've got 2 sites where we're taking construction and demolition debris, and another site in the county where we can take mixed, and a site out of the county in Christian County where we can take mixed debris.
And the sites are set up in Barnsley and Hopkinsville. In the end, Judge Executive Whitfield thinks there will be more than 1 million cubic yards of debris.